Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Georgina. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here, and make sure you stay with me, stick with me, because I have a lot of recipes to share with you. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make party beef jollof rice. This turned out so delicious, and trust me, once you make this or you try this way, your guests are going to love it, and you're always going to make your jollof rice this way, because it's definitely a must try and it turned out so delicious. Let's get started. This is the cured lamb beef that I'll be using. If you want to know how to make this, I have the video on my page. Go through my page, you'll find out how to make this. In Ghana, we call this tolo beef. Trust me, when you use this to make your jollof rice, it makes it so delicious. I added in some water and let it cook until the water dries out. What it does is take away some of the salt from the cured lamb beef. As you can see, the yellow thing, the white thing around there are all salt. So I'll push the beef aside and take out all those salt from there before moving to the next step. After, I'll add in a little bit of oil to fry these bad boys. I didn't fry it that much. You do not want to over fry it. Stir fry it from 3 to 5 minutes. That's what I did, and then took it out from the oil. You do not want it to be too or to be that hard. I'll then go ahead with the stew. In the same oil, I'll add in chopped onion and habanero pepper. I use 2 habanero peppers because the habanero peppers that we have here, they are very strong. It's way hot. So if you use more than that, it's like you are exaggerating compared to those that we have in Ghana. 1 habanero pepper here is equal to 5 habanero peppers. So when I'm using or when I'm cooking, I don't really add much pepper. It's way strong and I don't like too much pepper in my recipes, but it's totally optional. You can add in or you can adjust the ingredients by yourself. I then added in tomato paste and tomato puree, rinsed the bottle and added in a little bit of water. I stir it and left it to cook for some minutes. I'm saying minutes because I don't know the quantity of your stew or of your tomato sauce. I'll stir it again and add in the rest of the ingredients, which is ginger powder, garlic powder, sankofa stew seasoning, Gino curry. So I brought this from Ghana. Anytime I go to Ghana, when coming back, I prefer bringing the spices because I really love it. I'll add in 1 shrimp cube and give it a stir. I'll stir this until everything has come together and add in the beef. So when you get to this point, the stew is halfway cooked. I'll leave it to cook for some minutes. So I'll close it and let it cook for about 5 minutes again. Then I'll go ahead and add in the rice. Even the stew on its own, it goes with rice, with cooked rice, with cooked yam, plantain, potatoes, name it. The stew was very nice on its own. So I took some out because I know what to do with the next day. I took some out, added in macaroni and washed rice. And basically there's it. It's very simple making this. You have your ingredients. The ingredients are very little, and trust me, it turned out so delicious. I hope you give this a try. I'll then add in water, stir it. I didn't add in salt because of the cured lamb beef, but later I tasted it and it was missing some salt. So I added in some salt and a little bit of water, and that's it. I didn't add in any water again. So you want to make sure you adjust everything now and then cover it and let it cook until it's ready. But you know, jollof rice needs attention. Stay close to it or check from time to time and give it a stir. Stir it, cover it and let it cook until it's ready. At this point, it was halfway cooked. I added in the rest of the ingredients, which is carrots and green pepper. That's the vegetables that I'm using. I'll stir it again, cover it, and let it cook until it's ready. Lastly, I'll cover it with parchment paper and leave it to cook slowly until it's ready. You know, jollof rice, when the fire is on high, it will get burnt at the bottom of the pot. Mine, for instance, I was using charcoal, so when when the rice got to halfway cooked, I removed some of the charcoal from it and lowered the fire. So if you are cooking it on gas, make sure you lower the fire and leave it to cook slowly until it's ready, and trust me, the results will be so delicious, will be great. Lastly, I'll add in cooked fried eggs. And this is it. When you're making this for your party, you don't need to stress yourself to make a lot of things, because everything is inside already. And trust me, your guests are going to love this jollof rice recipe. It turned out so delicious. I hope you're going to give this a try, and I hope you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. You know, sometimes when I'm eating rice like this, I prefer to eat it with my hands.